Do you remember the time that you were so excited that the school bell rang and it was time for you to go home? Guess what? The second best bell after the school bell is Adam Coin's bell icon. So press the bell icon after you subscribe. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Solana video update. Now for the next 5 months I really have some big plans coming up for the signals as well, and make sure that you join the signal. The link is in the description of the video, and there's only 10 days to take an entry. It's $10 per month. I do recommend you this time to actually join the signals because there are some big plans that I want you to be a part of. Now the thing is, Solana is in a range, it's in a journey, actually not in a range, but in a journey to go and continue lower and lower down to $10, and we're looking for that particular $5, $6 and the $4 at the moment. So very quickly, I'm gonna actually tell you where we left off. So back in when we were up here at 14.5, I gave you the $10 call, and so far we're sitting at $12 right now. We still have some little bit drops to come down, so all you're doing is still the same. Another 3 black rows, another continuation pattern, and you're still looking to drop and continue lower. What I want to see in particular is this 4-hour time frame, by the way, and looking at the 4-hour time frame right here, bringing in the EMAs, you can see that you're still stuck with the EMAs. Went up anytime you came up to the 20, got rejected, boom, to the downside. It came up to the 20, got rejected, boom, to the downside, and you're just going to continue in waveforms like this, up and down, up and down. So don't get excited anytime soon. I still expect the market for the next few months to actually go a little bit bad, and then from there we can see what happens. And that's the reason why I still recommend you. I'm telling you that today the signal is open, and I think this is one of the most interesting time for people to join or be a part of my signal as well. It's totally up to you guys. Super cheap. Other people are charging like way too much for nothing at all, and that's pretty much it for this Solana video update. See you at $10. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.